Limerick has been badly hit lately, with many families affected by suicide. The statistics show that Limerick has twice the national average of self-harm and suicide attempts. The peak time for this is 10 p.m. at night, when most services are closed. Limerick desperately needs new services, as enough lives have been lost. As a result, a number of suicide prevention and search and rescue teams have come together around the table in the hope of bringing a new service to Limerick called the Haven Hub. We are looking for your support today in getting us to get this much needed crisis cafe off the ground. The Haven Hub will be a safe place where people that are feeling distressed or that are contemplating suicide can come for support. Our suicide prevention trained volunteers will sit with them over a cup of tea or coffee and help them to come up with a safety plan to keep themselves safe until they can get access to services that can help. We will also be a place that the patrol teams can bring a person at risk to take them away from the river and come up with a safety plan in a warm, supportive environment instead of on a bench in the cold and the rain. Our volunteers will be able to discuss the many different supports that are in the local community that can help the person that is struggling. These will range from low-cost counselling services to support groups to wellness courses to crisis intervention. The volunteers will also stay connected with the person at risk in the coming days after the crisis is over to help them to find the energy to reach out for the support that they need. This can often be the time when most people fall through the cracks. We will also support families of people with mental health difficulties who are often left feeling helpless and at their wits' end. In particular, we will give a safe, supportive space to families whose loved ones are missing. These families are often left at the scene of a river in the midst of the hysteria of the emergency services without a safe place to go and to be supported. We desperately need an organisation that will be willing to give us a space in their facility after hours under our own insurance. We need Limerick people and businesses to pull together to help us to make this happen. Please help us to make this service available to the people that need it now. Help us to be the link that's missing when people are in despair and find that they have nowhere to turn for help, especially in the early hours of the morning. Join the other amazing organisations involved in bringing the Haven Hub to Limerick, as we have lost enough lives while waiting for improvements in the current services. Thank you.